by, with. By is used to indicate the agent of an action. With indicate the instrument. Example: the tree was cut by him with an axe. The bird was shot with gun by the hunter.
The man was cutting the tree with an axe. The tree was being cut by the man.
The hunter is shooting the birds with a gun. The birds are being shot by the hunter. Into. In signifies that something is within something else without movement. Into signifies movement to a point. Example: the frog lived in the well. He jumped into the well.
The frog is in the well.
The frogs are trying to jump into the well.
Beside, besides. Beside means by the side of. Besides means in addition to. Example: he sat beside his wife. He has a car besides a scooter. Pinky sat beside the ball.
Smita has many friends besides Rita.
Between, among. Between is used when we refer to persons or things. Among refer to more than two. Example: I stood between John and Smith. The boys are quarreling among themselves.
The apple is between the boxes.
The hut is among the trees.
On, upon. On is used for the things which are at rest. Upon is used for the things in movement. Example: the book is on the table. The tiger jumped upon the ass.
The book is on the table.
The tiger is jumping upon the ass. On, upon, and over. On is used for the things which are in touch. Upon and over are used for things which are not in touch. Example: she is carrying a bundle on her head. She held an umbrella upon or over her head.
She is carrying a bundle on her head.
He held an umbrella over his head. He held an umbrella upon his head.
Frequently, students doubted. The man sat on the chair. The man sat in the chair. Which one is correct? Both are correct according to shape of the chair. If the chair is hands chair, the man sat in the chair. Correct. If the chair is handsless chair, the man sat on the chair. Correct.
The man sat in the chair.
The man sat on the chair.
In, at. used for cities, capitals, and big places. At is used for villages and small places. Example, he lives at Adavalli village. He was born in Kolkata. For since, both used in the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tenses only to indicate time. For is used for a period of time. Since is used for a point of time. Example, he has been waiting for 3 hours. He has been waiting since 7 o'clock.
From, since. From can be used with any tense to indicate time. If it is used in past tense, to is also should be used in the same sentence. Since is used in the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tenses only. Example, he lived here from 1990 to 2010. He has been living here since 1999.
Till to. Till is used for time only. To is used for time and place. Example, I slept till 8 o'clock. I slept to 8 o'clock. He walked to the end of the street.